Hello?
Turn around. Turn around. There he goes. Indiana backwards. Imler. I should say Vermont. Imler. There's the tram. And there's Bob just standing. Ah, see some action. A look over his left shoulder. Anyhow, this is a big tourist place that people see a waterfall. We've had like a 10 months.
High above the Andes.
Instead of the zip line, what did they used to call this? The people mover in Disneyland? You find hordes of tourists and the waterfall behind your back.